Mental health is something that more and more people are taking seriously across Hawaii and the country. There's a great opportunity coming up to support free programs for those who need it. Joining us now with more is WALK Manager Kelsey Perron and WALK Honorary Chair Kathleen Rhodes Merriam. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you very much.
Kathleen, can you tell us what is the state of mental health here in Hawaii and why is it important to you and important to talk about?
Well, here in Hawaii, we're doing much better with our mental health system and our services. But you know what? We can always do better, and mental health awareness is super important. So NAMI Hawaii helps bring awareness and education to our communities. And the WALK is the best way for people to come out and learn more about mental health issues. And especially since COVID, depression and anxiety has increased, and so we want to bring more awareness, and the WALK is a great way, so come on out and see us.
And Kelsey, can you explain a little bit more about the NAMI Walks?
Yeah, so the NAMI Walks is actually the largest mental health walk in the nation, and of course here locally. It stands for just providing hope for people and breaking the stigma that really surrounds mental health and letting people know that they're not alone.
Absolutely. And can you tell us what can people expect if they do participate in this walk?
Yes, so we actually have a 1K, a 5, and a 5K option. You can also join us virtually. And then we have a lot of walks happening on our outer islands as well, on Big Island, Maui, Lanai, Kauai, and Molokai. And there's going to be lots of activities, free keiki games, all like great activities, even all the way up to kupunas, food vendors, live music, lots and lots of fun things, and free shave ice. You definitely want to come early for that.
Ooh, I like that. Free shave ice. Yeah, that's going to get me going. You know, walking in general is also very good for your mental health as well. And I really like how you have it in every county. It's not just Oahu-centric, like a lot of events are. Can you tell us how they can participate, if they need to get tickets, when and where can they park?
Yes, so you can register on namiwalks.org/Hawaii. Registration is completely free. The event is happening on Saturday, October 11th here on Oahu at the Frank Fossey Civic Center grounds, directly next to Honolulu Hale. And free parking is available at the Frank Fossey Municipal Parking Lot.
Excellent. And if there are those who can't make it to the walk, is there anything that people can do to help with their mental health?
Well, you can definitely go to the website and find out about lots of programs and lots of resources. Get hooked up with NAMI.org. It's a national organization, but there's obviously affiliates here in Hawaii. Also, if anybody is experiencing a mental health crisis or concern, don't forget about 988. That's a very important number. We should all know about that number because that is if somebody needs to reach out. So we want to promote that. Hopefully people can come on down and find out about the many resources that we have here in Hawaii. That's the best part, is to come and be able to talk about mental health issues in a safe way. So we're hoping people will come down. You can bring a sign if you want to bring a sign and show your support. We're bringing you 2 examples of some beautiful signs.
I like it.
Aren't they nice?
Yeah.
So you can make yours. It's from keiki to kupuna. Come on down. So we're very excited to support mental health. And thank you for supporting mental health by bringing the awareness out to so many people.
And thank you for sharing early this morning with us this important information and about the walk. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
All right. Aloha.